What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Anyhow, you're gonna hear me say that again and again and again. Anyhow, no. Just playing. How's everybody doing? If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do. I'm a new little YouTube channel, and I tell it like it is. Alright, I was just making this video, and you're gonna get to watch it right after I get done talking real quick. As I was cleaning up my work area, vacuuming, moving everything around, and I'm going to go into that as this video goes. But I was editing it, and then when I came downstairs during the edit process, I was vacuuming and getting all my tools in order to do on to my next project. But I did want to say one thing. Let me put this down. I wanted to say one thing. If you are a homeowner, all right, and you're calling around and getting bids on, let's say you're building a new deck, a new addition, you're getting your roof done, but it doesn't really leak too bad, but you just want to get it done. You're getting siding done. They're putting on new sheeting. You're getting a fence built. Maybe a room addition. Anything that has to do with building materials, all right? And you are hiring somebody. I want to be honest with you, and these contractors are not going to be honest with you. The ones that are very greedy right now. There's very greedy contractors out there right now, and I know this because I used to be a builder. Thank gosh I'm not, because I wouldn't want to even try to give customers these kind of prices. And I also used to be a carpenter working for other people. So I know how these trades work. Now, right now, this is the first time in my life of almost 50 years that I've seen lumber prices this high. And that goes with electrical wiring, anything right down to the plumbing and everything. Okay, the prices are super high. So when you're calling around and you're getting quotes on projects and the builders are telling you, we are so busy, be aware, those builders want to charge you too damn much money. If you cannot wait till next summer, well, then I guess you're going to have to pay the price, because you are going to pay the price. You're going to pay the price because right now, one sheet of this OSB 4x8 sheet, okay, in my area is almost $55 a sheet, all right? You can't see the stamp on this. I got this in 2019, but your typical sheet of OSB, 7/16 sheet of OSB 4x8 sheet is typically anywhere from $8 to $12 a sheet, not $50-some and up. If you are getting an estimate to do some framing and your 2x4s, and you know that they're going to use 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x8s, 2x12s, treated lumber and everything else, a typical 8-foot 2x4 right now is going anywhere from $8 all the way up. I've seen it as high as $17. Now, word of advice, last year at this time, it's like gasoline for your cars. Last year at this time, you could get a 2x4 between $2, give or take, all the way up to around $4. Not 5 times. That goes along with your lighting. A roll of, let's say, 250 feet of electrical wiring was for, let's say, 12.2 or 14.2 or yada yada yada, would give anywhere around $50 for a roll of 250 feet. Now you could pay up to $150. Your plumbing elbows for like your plumbing, what I mean by plumbing elbows, your elbows, they might seem cheap, right? A couple bucks right now. But brothers and sisters, those are not cheap right now. They're 5 times. So if you're getting a lot of plumbing done right now, you are paying 5 times the price for each fitting and each piece, all right? And on top of that, your plumber is going to charge you another upcharge of all that material, okay? same thing with electrical and everything. And I don't care if you're a contractor right now and you're bullying these customers and telling them that you're freaking busy. You be honest with them. Be honest with them. Come on, fellas and gals. Be honest with them. You know that yourself, if you're a homeowner and you're a builder at the same time, you ain't doing a lot of these big projects right now at your own house unless you have it all sitting in your garage, sitting in your shed, and you already had all that material. So let's stop overcharging our customers right now. Let's be honest with our customers, and let's tell our customers the truth about the building prices right now and what they could save them if they did the projects this coming up year. All right, unless they cannot live without it. Now, if you are that individual that is having a deck built and someone else is doing it for you, ask them how much they're charging you for your lumber. See if they had that lumber already pre-bought in their shed, their storage area, whatever, and they're charging you for that price, not the going rate right now. Because if they're charging you the going rate right now, wait till next year to do that damn project, all right? Now you can watch this video. Beast, woo, out of here. Let's start it. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? I just thought I would give a quick shout out. That's right, a quick shout out. What's up? It is Friday, May 28th, 2021. May 28th, 2021. And it is 4 o'clock in the morning. Woo! On a Friday. Well, anyhow, I'm going to give you an update on how this basement's going, how my house renovations are going, and everything else. And if you are lucky enough to watch this video, well, thank you very much. But I got good and bad news for you. Good and bad news, so stay tuned. Alright, anyhow, lumber, well, there was a pile of almost 100 2x4s right here. And now I have approximately 18 left. And I need a whole crap load more. I need a lot more of everything that has to do with building materials. Well, friends, I haven't been uploading videos because one main reason is because of those things right there. Those dang 2x4s and everything else are just skyrocketed up in price right now. I said they're going to peak in July. Man, I was hoping to at least buy a few before July, and they just keep going up. The other day, one of my local lumber yards, everybody's giving different prices right now. One local lumber yard is almost $13 a 2x4. One's 10 something a 2x4, and another one's like almost $8 a 2x4. So everybody's prices are different. On my OSB sheathing 3/4, not sheathing, but subfloor, I've seen it as high as $105 a sheet, all the way down to about $65 a sheet. I ran out right here. Look at this. Right there. Right there. So I can't continuously upload videos right now. I've been taking befores and pictures during everything, so I'm going to do a slideshow like I did previously for last year's progress. I did get my sub pump all the way in, my basin. I just got some spray foam around there. I have to still run my piping up through the wall. That's why that one little part is just partially done right down here on the bottom, just so I could get my framing in. And then I gotta go up there and bust through the concrete wall. But supply and demand, and I ain't rich, so I can't just make daily videos, weekly videos on framing, insulating, doing wiring, doing all these home renovation projects. So I've been doing a lot of dirt work outside. I've been ordering a lot of landscaping material. That's about it. A lot of digging, a lot of spraying. It's dark outside, or I would take you out there using a lot of this stuff. This stuff actually works really well, this Roundup. But a lot of boring crap, so that's why I haven't uploaded a video. A lot of boring crap, as boring as this damn video. Lumber is outrageous, and that goes for almost all building materials right now. I'm fortunate enough I haven't had to go and buy like lights, wiring, and everything else because I already have a lot of that in stock. Even down to your insulation. Last year you could get a bag of that for give around 20-30 bucks for a bag of Art 13 for 2x4 walls unfaced. Now that little bag over there, that little bag of R13, 11 bats. What 11 bats is, if you don't know what a bat is, it is basically a bat that goes from your standard wall, your 16 on center standard wall. That's a bat. But anyhow, $50 some for a bag of 11 bats of insulation. So I clean shaved. Whoo, a little bit. And just jamming on my radio. Right now I'm in the process of cleaning this basement. And I keep having to postpone my damn plumber. But I'm going to use up some of my scrap that I have back in that area. Try to start framing up a little bit of this bathroom and future laundry room. But friends, I don't have footage that I can give to you all that's consistent right now. I tried to make a video of me spray foaming and doing my rim joists and my seal plates, but I just don't have the footage right now to make consistent videos. I will be I'm slowly putting them together right now. If you're still watching this, I'm going to get off here real soon. But I've been slowly putting them together, but they're just all over the place, just like construction and everything else is all over the place right now. The prices of lumber are all over the place, like or dislike this video. But if you're with me trying to do your DIY projects or any kind of projects right now, best advice, wait it out. It sucks. It sucks ass. It sucks big time to have to decide, do I spend $100+ just for a few 2x4s, or oh, I want to side my house and there goes the sub pump. 1 second. Just like these 10 sheets of OSB 7/16 4x8 sheets. I got them for $8 a sheet a couple years ago. Stacked my garage up, thank gosh, because I didn't plan on these prices. But just the other day, these sheets are going for $50 some a piece. Can you imagine? $50 some a piece. So these 10 sheets right here would be around $520, not counting tax. And I got them for 80 bucks. Alright? That's your math right there. It's just not worth it right now. So, it's what it is. I had to get a new water heater because during this construction phase, the other one expired. Went to crap. I can imagine why, because I was doing a lot of jackhammering and dust and everything else. Thank gosh it was under warranty. They flipped it out, and that's what it is. So I got a tall boy instead of a short boy. And that's about it. Sorry. I'll upload more when I get some footage. And so hit the subscribe button. It's not going to hurt you to hit the subscribe button. If you want to see some boring footage, if you want to look at my ass, That's right, because I'll video me itching my ass for you. Woo! How about that? How about that? Anyhow, y'all have yourselves a great weekend. Have a great Memorial weekend if you celebrate that. And I hope you do. And that's just what it is. Anyhow, see you, bye. Should I sing you a song? Should I sing you a song? Woo! I don't think so. Unless you want to hear about the itchy ass. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't even know what to sing right now. Lumber prices, please go down. Lumber prices are kicking my ass. Lumber prices are more expensive than having a sip of coffee at 4 a.m. in the morning. Woo! Beast out of here.